nutrient with an amusing name, yet an incredibly significant impact on how youthful you truly look and feel. It's called astaxanthin, pronounced astaxanthin. This remarkable compound is recognized as one of the most potent natural antioxidants found anywhere on our planet. Astaxanthin is tirelessly dedicated to protecting your precious cells from the relentless damage inflicted by free radicals, those troublesome unstable molecules we discussed earlier. Think of it as an exceptionally vigilant bodyguard for your skin, working proactively to prevent the oxidative stress that leads to bothersome sagging, unsightly dark spots, and that perpetually tired, slightly creepy appearance. What exactly makes astaxanthin so extraordinary? Its power is truly astonishing. It's reported to be a staggering 550 times stronger than the renowned vitamin E, and an astounding 6,000 times more potent than vitamin C when it comes to fiercely combating skin damage. The scientific community backs this up with compelling evidence. One notable 8-week study revealed that women who consistently took astaxanthin experienced a significant reduction in fine lines and age spots, alongside vastly improved skin hydration and even enhanced elasticity, particularly evident around the delicate areas of the eyes and cheeks. While you can obtain astaxanthin from wild-caught salmon or krill, once again, you would need to consume an enormous quantity to achieve the therapeutic, skin-rejuvenating dosage. Therefore, most women opt for a daily supplement, typically in the range of 4 to 8 milligrams, to consistently reap its full profound benefits. It's also often affectionately referred to as nature's internal sunscreen because of its remarkable ability to protect your skin against harmful UV damage from the inside out. This means you can anticipate fewer bothersome sunspots, a reduction in those persistent wrinkles, and ultimately, healthier, visibly brighter skin. So, if you are actively searching for a powerful ally that helps you literally glow with vitality, astaxanthin might just become your unexpected new secret weapon. And finally, let's turn our attention to one you may very well have heard of, but perhaps haven't truly leveraged to its absolute full potential: biotin, also widely recognized as vitamin B7. Biotin is a proud member of the essential B vitamin family and plays a profoundly crucial role in converting the food you eat into vital energy for your body. But its benefits extend far beyond that. Biotin is directly and intricately involved in maintaining the radiant health of your hair, skin, and nails. Specifically, biotin assists your body in producing keratin, which is the foundational protein that primarily makes up your hair and nails. As we gracefully age, our body's natural keratin production begins to slow down, and this is precisely why hair often becomes noticeably thin, brittle, and seems to lose its once vibrant luster. Furthermore, it helps maintain healthy skin cells, contributing to a clearer and more resilient complexion. In several rigorous clinical studies, women who faithfully took biotin supplements for a period of 90 days reported noticeable improvements in their hair's strength, overall thickness, and even observed new growth appearing in areas that had previously been thinning. It also proved highly beneficial in addressing issues like dry, flaky skin and persistently splitting nails, restoring their natural vitality. While you can obtain some biotin from foods like eggs, almonds, avocados, and sweet potatoes, once again, our body's absorption capabilities naturally decrease as we get older, making dietary intake alone often insufficient for optimal benefits. This is why a considerable number of women over 60 thoughtfully incorporate a daily biotin supplement into their routine, often taking it in combination with other beneficial B vitamins or collagen for synergistic effects. It's not presented as a magical overnight cure, but for many women, biotin truly represents that missing link, especially when they are grappling with concerns like hair loss, fragile nail breakage, or persistent dull, dry skin that even the most expensive moisturizer simply cannot seem to adequately fix. Let's quickly take a moment to beautifully recap these 3 incredibly potent, often secret vitamins that possess the profound ability to help you both look and feel more youthful and vibrantly alive. First, vitamin K2. It remarkably improves skin elasticity, diligently supports healthy circulation, and proactively prevents premature aging processes. Next, astaxanthin, a powerhouse that fiercely fights against damaging free radicals, deeply hydrates your skin, and intelligently protects it against the harmful effects of sun damage from within. And finally, biotin. It powerfully boosts your body's natural keratin production, significantly strengthens your hair and nails, and actively supports robust cell renewal. These three essential nutrients may not grace every glamorous beauty commercial you see, but their efficacy is solidly backed by rigorous science, and they are genuinely transforming the way older women nurture and care for themselves from the deepest levels of their being outwards. And perhaps the most delightful aspect of all, integrating them into your daily life is wonderfully simple, refreshingly affordable, and entirely natural. Now that we've deeply explored the profound power of these three secret vitamins, vitamin K2, astaxanthin, and biotin, you might be wondering, is there anything else I can thoughtfully do to help them truly work their absolute best? The encouraging answer is a resounding yes. Vitamins, in their magnificent complexity, do not operate in isolation. Imagine them as precious seeds. If you scatter a seed onto dry, rocky, unyielding soil, it simply will not flourish. But if you carefully plant that same seed in healthy, adequately watered soil, bathed in gentle sunshine, that is when you witness real, breathtaking growth and change. So let's talk about the vital supportive habits that empower these incredible nutrients to perform their duties with maximum efficiency, ensuring you look and feel your absolute best every single day. First, hydration is key. You've undoubtedly heard it before, but allow me to emphasize again. Hydration truly is the cornerstone of exceptional skin health. Without sufficient water, your skin cells simply cannot remain plump, resilient, or effectively detoxify themselves. Water also plays a critical role in helping your body efficiently absorb and circulate nutrients, ensuring those powerful vitamins you're diligently taking actually reach precisely where they need to go to work their magic. Aim for a consistent 6 to 8 glasses of clean, pure water each day. Invigorating herbal teas are also a wonderful contribution to your daily intake. Second, embrace the magic of morning sunlight. Spending just 10 to 15 minutes bathed in gentle morning sunlight each day does so much more than simply elevate your mood. It vitally helps your body naturally produce vitamin D, a powerhouse nutrient that influences everything from your skin's repair mechanisms to crucial hormone balance. Morning sunlight also exquisitely supports your circadian rhythm, meaning you will naturally sleep better, allowing your body to repair itself more profoundly overnight, leading to brighter eyes and clearer, more radiant skin when you awaken. Third, cultivate a nourishing diet. The vitamins we've discussed operate with far greater efficacy when you consistently fuel your body with a diet rich in whole, vibrant, colorful foods. Think leafy greens bursting with nutrients, an abundance of berries, health-boosting fatty fish, and heart-healthy fats like luscious avocado and golden olive oil. These extraordinary foods are densely packed with essential cofactors, which are crucial additional nutrients that empower your body to activate and utilize these vitamins with remarkable efficiency. Fourth, prioritize deep, restorative sleep. Did you know that your skin undertakes the majority of its critical repair and profound regeneration processes while you are peacefully sleeping? During periods of deep, uninterrupted sleep, your body significantly increases blood flow to the skin and diligently produces fresh, new collagen. A chronic lack of quality sleep manifests almost instantly on your face. Think noticeable under-eye circles, a dull, lackluster skin tone, and unwelcome puffiness. However, consistent, high-quality sleep magnificently amplifies the beneficial effects of every single supplement you choose to take. Fifth, commit to stress reduction. Chronic, unmanaged stress relentlessly increases levels of cortisol, a detrimental hormone that actively breaks down collagen and ruthlessly accelerates the visible signs of skin aging. Even a mere 10 minutes each day dedicated to gentle breathing exercises, deliberate stretching, or quiet meditation or prayer can powerfully lower these stress hormones and profoundly boost the magnificent way your body naturally uses nutrients to heal and rejuvenate itself. And finally, sixth, remember topical support. Don't entirely overlook the benefits of an outside-in approach. A simple, gentle skincare routine, thoughtfully incorporating hydrating moisturizers, a hyaluronic acid serum, or a potent vitamin C serum can wonderfully complement and support the exceptional results you're actively cultivating internally. Seek out products that are fragrance-free and specifically designed to cater to the unique needs of mature skin. You don't need a complicated 12-step regimen. You simply need to be consistent and kind to your skin. When you seamlessly combine these deeply nurturing habits with the precise, targeted nutrients, it's akin to turning the key in your body's magnificent natural glow engine. You will begin to feel profoundly better, your energy will noticeably improve, and your skin will visibly reflect the profound care and love you are so generously giving it. And people, beautifully, will begin to notice, because this journey isn't about futilely attempting to look 30 again. It's about confidently becoming the most radiant, self-assured, and powerful version of you right now in this wonderful season of your life. So, let's bring all of this inspiring wisdom together. We've explored how aging is not a process of decline, but rather a profound and beautiful transition. A powerful phase of life where you possess the incredible agency to choose exactly how you care for your precious body, your radiant skin, and your magnificent spirit. You've learned about 3 exceptional vitamins, K2, astaxanthin, and biotin, that work quietly yet powerfully from the inside out, diligently helping to restore your skin's elasticity, its natural glow, and your overall vitality. And just as significantly, we've thoughtfully explored the small yet impactful daily habits that powerfully multiply those effects. Habits like deep hydration, embracing invigorating morning sunlight, securing profound rest, and nurturing pure joy in your everyday. These aren't empty gimmicks. They are proven, powerful tools, and they are now entirely yours to thoughtfully utilize. Here's what I truly want you to remember most from our conversation today. It is never too late to begin nourishing your skin and, indeed, your beautiful soul. You fundamentally deserve to feel good, to feel proud when you genuinely look in the mirror. You absolutely deserve to feel a profound sense of pride in the loving care you give yourself. And if no one has gently reminded you of this recently, please hear it now. You are still incredibly beautiful, not because you're frantically chasing the mirage of eternal youth, but because you are finally and fully honoring the extraordinary woman you have so gracefully become. If today's video has resonated with you, inspired you, or offered you a glimmer of hope, I would be absolutely delighted if you would give it a thumbs up. Your simple action helps more incredible women just like you discover this kind of encouraging, truly age-positive content. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because every single week I am committed to sharing real, practical self-improvement tips specifically for women over 60 who genuinely want to age magnificently, feel incredibly strong, and glow from the deepest essence of their being outward. Tell me in the comments below, which of these amazing vitamins are you most excited to try? Or perhaps, what self-care habit are you going to commit to integrating into your life this very week? Let's uplift and cheer each other on, because aging beautifully with grace, strength, and unwavering confidence is truly something precious we all get to do together.